Audrey Johns. I'm the founder of Lose Weight by Eating, and I want to show you how to make some really, really yummy, low-calorie and low-fat strawberry cream cheese frosting. This is great to put on cakes and cupcakes. It's great to even pipe inside of some of your bigger strawberries you get during the summer. It's really, really fun. Let me show you how to make it. The first thing you need is about 16 ounces of powdered sugar. I like to get organic if I can. And then it's really easy. I like to remember 2, 3, 4. So I need 2 tablespoons of fresh, really yummy jam, strawberry jam. And if you have homemade jam, please use it. It will be so much yummier. My mother-in-law even makes a really yummy strawberry and raspberry jam that I've used this for. It's excellent. All right, 1 more tablespoon. Actually, I'm sorry, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3. Now we need 3 soft cream cheese. And you want to leave this out all day. You want to get it really nice and soft. And I went for light cream cheese because you're not going to be able to tell the difference. It's not like you're putting it on a bagel here. So we need 3 of these. I'm eyeballing it, obviously. It's a little hard to get this out in a tablespoon. All right, next, I want 4 tablespoons. Remember 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of milk. And what I like to use is almond milk. Has a lot less calories, has a lot less fat, and you can't taste the difference. So now what I'm going to do is use my handy dandy mixer. I just want to whisk this on low. I want to make sure that everything's beaten together well before I decide if this is the right consistency for me. Okay. Look at that, that's so beautiful. Now, often I like to use a piping bag, and I brought one with me, and I was gonna use one today, but I thought probably 90% of you guys don't have a piping bag. And I wanted to show you that you don't need one when it comes to cupcakes. All you take is your pretty little plate of vanilla, strawberry, even chocolate cupcakes are great with this one. And all you wanna do is do a little dip. Just swirl it. And up she comes. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. You can even put like a little strawberry on it. And there you've got your low-calorie, low-fat cream cheese strawberry frosting. This is super yummy. Look how pretty that is too. Hope you make some of these recipes at home. Again, my name is Audrey Johns. I'm the founder of Lose Weight by Eating. Happy cooking.